Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest sleeve pattern you've ever seen. If you'd love to watch more videos from me, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get in the tutorial. So as you can see, I have some lines, horizontal lines that are drawn across. So I'm going to show you exactly how these lines came about. So from the top line where it's written sleeve pattern, that will be our shoulder line and our starting point. So I'm going to find my shoulder to wrist measurement, which is taken as you can see in the illustration. So my shoulder to wrist measurement was 22 inches. Shoulder to wrist, that is the mark there, and I'm going to label it as my wrist. Then next, I'm going to find my shoulder to bicep measurements, which was just 7 inches from the shoulder downwards. From the shoulder, go down by 7 inches. That's how I came up with my bicep measurement. The next, I'm going to find my elbow measurement, which is 6 inches below the bicep. So this is my elbow. So next, I'm going to draw a vertical straight line at the center from the shoulder down to the wrist. So I have just drawn my vertical line, as you can see. Then I'm going to put in the circumference of my biceps, the circumference of my elbow, and the circumference of my wrist, divide by 2. So I'm going to start with my elbow. My elbow circumference is 12 inches. 12 inches divided by 2 will be 6 inches. So I'll put 6 on one side and 6 on the other to make it 12. So I'm going to put 6 inches here and 6 inches on the other side and mark a point. The next, I'm going to go to my elbow. I'm going to mark the circumference of my elbow divided by 2. The circumference of my elbow divided by 2 was 10. I'm going to mark 5 on the other and 5 on the other side, making it 10. I'm going to move on to my wrist circumference divide by 2. My wrist circumference was 8 inches. So I'm going to mark 4 inches on the other side and 4 inches on the other side. Then I'm going to connect the points. I'll connect the biceps to elbow to wrist points as shown. So I have just connected my points. And this is how it looks. Then next, I'm going to draw a triangle connecting to the top as shown. So just get my ruler and make some form of triangle. Okay, so next we're going to determine which side is the front and which side is the front side, the back side of the sleeve. So my front side, I'm going to label it with a letter F right here. This is my front, and my back with the letter B. Then I'm going to get the measurement of this triangle from the shoulder up to my bicep. That's slant measurement. Then I'll divide into 4 to make 4 equal parts. So my measurement there is 6. I'm going to make 4 equal parts. So I have just make 4 equal parts. Then on the first equal part, the first one here, I'm going to go downwards by half an inch right here. I'm going to go downwards by half an inch. Then on the last point up there, I'm going to go upwards by 3/4 of an inch. Then I'm going to curve and connect the points. This is similar to how we curve the armholes. Okay, so looks nice. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. So on the back side, we're going to divide that into 3 equal parts. So you can use your calculator or just your measuring tape to find 3 equal parts. Then after you find 3 equal parts, on the bottom equal parts, find the midpoint of this bottom here. Then on that midpoint, go inwards by 1/2 inch. Then on the top part here, go up by 3/4 inch. Then connect the points. So as you can see, the front and back curve, the back curve is smaller than the front curve at the bottom. Thank you so much guys for watching. So this is the best, easiest sleeve pattern you'll ever see. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.